This is the first in the series of webinar in Part 2 Human Digital Humanities. And today's topic is about computing and text mining in arts, digital humanities webinar. My name is Engineer Owolabi, Yussuf, IT support and network engineer at the ICT Resource and Training Center, Owolabi University. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's webinar on computing and text mining in arts. I'm delighted to explore with you how digital tools are transforming humanities research and opening new possibilities for scholarship in your field. As student of the Faculty of Arts, understanding how computing technologies can enhance your study is essential. And this presentation will explore various applications of computers in the humanities, as well as introduce text mining techniques and data analysis methods relevant to your field. Part 1, Digital Revolution in Arts. Understanding digital humanities. Digital humanities represents an exciting intersection where traditional humanities disciplines meet modern computational tools. The field emerged in the late 20th century as scholars began recognizing the potential of computers to enhance humanities research. Today, it has become an indispensable part of academic study, offering new ways to conduct research, analyze cultural data, preserve historical information, and present scholarly findings. Here, essential digital school tools for art students. Number 1, basic computing applications. We start with the word processing tools. We talk about the Microsoft Word and the Google Docs for academic writing. In the realm of academic writing, word processing tools such as Microsoft Word and Google Docs have become indispensable. These applications facilitate efficient document creation and editing, allowing students to focus on content rather than formatting issues. We have the features of user-friendly interface. Both platforms, the Word and Google Docs, offer intuitive interface that cater to users of varying technical skills. Microsoft Word is renowned for its robust features, while Google Docs excels in simplicity and accessibility. Advanced formatting and citation management. Microsoft Word provides extensive formatting options that are crucial for meeting academic standards. Users can customize headings, font size, sizes, and line spacing to align with institutional guidelines. Additionally, the built-in citation manager simplifies the process of adding references in various styles, such as the APA, the MLA, and Chicago reference styles. Google Docs also offers basic formatting tools, but may lack some advanced features found in Word. We also have the collaborative editing capabilities. One of the standard features of Google Docs is its real-time collaborative editing functionality. This allows multiple users to work on a document simultaneously, making it ideal for group projects. The built-in commenting system enhances peer review processes by enabling users to leave feedback directly within the document. Microsoft Word also has the integrated collaborating tools features, allowing users to track changes and add comments, although it traditionally requires more setup for sharing documents. Desktop publishing. Desktop publishing has gained prominence in academic settings due to its ability to create visually appealing materials. Applications like Microsoft PowerPoint and Google Slides play a significant role in this area. We have the creating academic posters. We use desktop publishings that to design professional-looking academic posters that effectively communicate research findings. These applications provide templates and design elements that enhance visual presentation. Designing presentations. PowerPoint and Google Slides are widely used for creating presentations that accompany academic lectures or conferences, like what I'm using now. They offer features such as slide transition, animations, and multimedia integration that can make presentations more engaging. Lastly, we have preparing research materials. Both platforms enables users to compile research materials into cohesive formats. This includes the ability to incorporate charts, graphs, and images that support the written content. The ease of integrating data from spreadsheets enhances the overall quality of research presentations. The integration of word processing tools and desktop publishing applications into academic practices has transformed how students create and present their work. By leveraging these tools, students can enhance their writing quality, collaborate effectively with peers, and produce visually compelling materials that elevate their academic experience. Embracing these tools will not only improve individual projects, but also prepare students for future professional endeavors in any increasing digital world. Number two, we have spreadsheet applications. Don't be intimidated by spreadsheets. They are invaluable tools for humanities research. It might sound dry, but it's actually a game changer for humanities researchers. Let's break down why spreadsheets are your best friend in research. When I say spreadsheet, I know some of you are already getting nervous. Trust me. At the end of this webinar, you'll see these as powerful research companions, but not scary technical tools. So why spreadsheets matter in humanities research? First, let's talk about data management. Humanities isn't just about reading dusty books anymore. It's about understanding complex patterns, tracking intricate information, and telling compelling stories through data. And according to John, you can use them to, number one, organizing research findings. Imagine having hundreds of research notes scattered everywhere. Spreadsheets transform that chaos into a beautifully organized system where you can categorize sources by era, region, or theme. You can also add columns for notes, relevance, and potential research connections. And lastly, you can as well quickly sort and filter massive amount of information. Number two, we have bibliographic tracking. No more manual bibliography management. Spreadsheets let you create comprehensive reference databases, track publication dates, authors, keywords, generate citation reports with just a few clicks, and easily export to citation management tools like Mendeley and so on. Historical data analysis. We also use spreadsheets in historical data analysis. Here's where it gets exciting. Spreadsheets aren't just about numbers. They are about uncovering hidden narratives. So you can use it to map demographic shifts, track cultural transformation over decades, identify statistical trends in historical documents. You can as well create pivot tables that reveal patterns invisible to the naked eye. And lastly, we use spreadsheets for visualizing powers. Data visualization is storytelling, and spreadsheets, they are your storytelling toolkits. With built-in charting capabilities, you can transform complex data into intuitive graphs, create timelines of cultural movements, illustrate demographic changes, and make your research presentations pop. Pro tip for humanities researchers. Number one, start simple. Don't try to become an Excel wizard overnight. Begin with basic functions. Number two, consistent formatting. Treat your spreadsheet like a carefully curated archive. And then number three, backup. 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 Your research is precious. Always have multiple copies. Remember, spreadsheets aren't just for accountants and scientists. They are powerful research companion waiting to help you tell more compelling, data-driven stories about human existence. Number three, data management, your digital research sanctuary. Now let's transform how you think about data management. This isn't just organizing files. This is creating a powerful research ecosystem. Digital filing cabinet concept. Think of data management like building a world-class library, but entirely digital. We are talking about creating a system, creating a systematic, intelligent approach to storing, protecting, and assessing your research treasures. What are the key strategies for robust data management? Number one, database management systems. In database management system, you choose systems that scale with your research. You prioritize searchability and cross-referencing. You consider options like SQL, Access, or cloud-based solutions. You implement robust tagging and categorization mechanisms. Number two, you have digital archiving techniques. You use multiple backup strategies. Implement version control. You create redundant storage systems and consider cloud and physical backup combinations. Three, strategic file organization. Develop consistent naming conventions. Create hierarchical folder structures. Use date-based and project-based organizational methods and implement clear, intuitive categorization. Lastly, number four, metadata management. Tag every file with comprehensive descriptors. Includes creation dates, author, project context. Then use standardized metadata framework and enable advanced search capabilities. Pro tips again, your data management system should be as dynamic and flexible as your research itself. Build systems that can grow and adapt, ready to transform your research infrastructure. Let's make your data work as hard as you do. Part 2. Artificial intelligence and hearts, a transformative frontier. AI isn't just algorithms and code. It's a creative partner, revolutionizing how we understand, create, and explore arts and humanities. Let's break down AI's artistic capabilities. Number one, historical text analysis. Machine learning algorithms decode complex text. They uncover hidden linguistic patterns, provide unprecedented insight into historical documents, translate and interpret across multiple languages and era. That's for historical text analysis. And for the artistic style pattern recognition, AI algorithms map artistic movements. It identifies subtle stylistic variations. It also tracks evolutionary changes in visual and literary arts and reviews interconnections across cultural periods. Number three, translation and transcription magic. Instantaneous and accurate translations. We have AI translating tools like the Google Translator. We also, in translation and transcription magic, we preserve nuanced cultural context, transcribe handwritten manuscripts, and bridge linguistics and historical gaps. Number four, digital curation revolution. Intelligent artifact classification, automated metadata generation, smart archiving strategies, and enhanced research accessibilities. These are part of what AI can achieve for you in digital curation revolution. AI can as well also assist in creative AI generation, like generate original art and literature, collaborate with human creativity, explore new artistic boundaries, and challenge traditional creative processes. AI is not replacing human creativity, it's only amplifying it. We are entering an era of unprecedented artistic and research possibilities, and we must grow with it as well. So, part 3, unleashing the power of text mining and digital humanities. Digital resources, your research treasure troves. We are not just researchers anymore. we are digital explorers. And we have online repositories like Project Gutenberg, JSTOR, Google Books, and Internet Archive that provide access to vast array of academic and historical texts, which can be mined for research purposes. Project Gutenberg is used in classifying literature gold mine for classical literature gold mine. JSTOR as academic research paradise is where the academic research is mostly based. Google Books has massive global library and Internet Archive of historical documents on demand. What is text mining? Digital research stakeholder. Text mining is a computational approach to extracting valuable insights from large volumes of text data. It's like having a super intelligent research assistant that can automatically analyze massive text collections, identify patterns humans might miss, transform unstructured text into structured and meaningful data, extract key themes, sentiments, and relationships. Imagine you are reading a 10,000 document in seconds, trying to find connection invisible to human researchers, turning raw text into actionable research insights. How do you do that when you come to text mining? For you to text mine, you need to collect the text data. You pre-process and clean the data. You apply advanced algorithms, extract meaningful patterns, then you visualize and interpret the result. Text mining turns information overload into research breakthrough. Text mining, decoding the digital narrative. Let's talk about the text mining fundamentals. What are the core concepts? 1. Natural language processing, NLP. This is a branch of artificial intelligence that focuses on the interaction between computers and human language. It enables machines to understand, interpret, and generate human language in a way that is both meaningful and useful. We also have the pattern recognition. These are the concept of text mining. This involves identifying trends or patterns within text data. It allows algorithms to detect irregularities and anomalies in the data, which can be used for various applications, such as classifying documents or recognizing specific theme. Sentiment analysis. This technique assesses the emotional tone behind a series of words. It helps determine whether the sentiment expressed in a piece of text is positive, negative, or neutral. This is particularly useful for the businesses to gauge customer opinions and feedback. Topic modeling. This method uncovers hidden themes or topics within a collection of text. By analyzing the co-occurrence of words, topic modeling can group similar documents together and provide insight into the main subjects being discussed. These core concepts form the foundation of text mining, enabling us to extract valuable information from large volumes of textual data. Powerful toolkit for text mining. To effectively perform text mining, you need the right tools. Here is a breakdown of some key components. Now, to mine text, you need the Python library because you use Python in text mining. And the library you need is the NLTK, which is Natural Language Toolkit. Because Natural Language Toolkit is a widely used Python library designed specifically for working with text data. It is powerful for tasks like text processing, cleaning, tokenizing, and preparing text for analysis. Linguistics analysis, understanding the structure of language, such as text, such as parts of speech, tagging, or parsing sentences. Machine learning in language. Building models to classify text, analyze sentiment, or predict outcomes based on text data. Number two tool you need is R statistical package. R provides specialized statistical packages for analyzing text data and extracting insights. These tools are particularly useful for researchers and statisticians who want to apply statistical methods to text mining tasks. Number four, we have the advanced visualization tools. Tools like Matplotlib is also a Python library or ggplot2 in R help create visual representations of text data such as word clouds, topic distribution, or sentiment trends, making it easier to interpret results. And we have precision dataset queries. Efficient database query tools allow you to extract specific pieces of information from large datasets quickly and accurately. This ensures that you work only with relevant data during your analysis. These tools together form a powerful toolkit for performing comprehensive and accurate text mining tasks. Now, what are the techniques in data analysis for the arts? Data analysis bridges qualitative and quantitative methodologies. Qualitative analysis. Techniques like discourse analysis, thematic coding, and narrative structure studies are valuable for interpreting literary and historical texts. Quantitative analysis. Statistical techniques such as word frequency analysis or sentiment scoring are used to uncover patterns in large datasets. For instance, frequency analysis of words in 19th century novels might reveal shifts in societal focus over time. Visualization tools. Tools like Gephi enable network analysis, helping researchers map relationships between characters in a novel or event in history. Tableau allows the creation of interactive dashboards for presenting complex datasets. Integrating technology into humanities research. Collaborative projects in the digital humanities showcase the potential of technology. Examples: Digital Public Library of America aggregate digital content from libraries, museums, and archives, making it accessible for research. Similarly, Mapping the Republic of Letters visualizes the correspondence between Enlightenment thinkers, offering insight into intellectual networks. What's the impact? By blending computational tools into traditional methodologies, researchers achieve innovative outcomes such as interactive timeline, 3D reconstructions of historical sites, or multimedia annotations of text. Practical research applications. 1. Literary analysis superpowers. Text mining can significantly enhance literary analysis by enabling researchers to 1. Unveil author writing styles. Analyze patterns in an author's language to identify unique stylistic features. Track narrative theme evolution. Examine how themes develop and change throughout a literary work or across an author's body of work. Map character networks. Visualize relationships between characters to understand their interactions and roles within the story. Conduct gen comparative analysis. Compare different gens to identify common themes, styles, and characteristics. Number 2, we have the historical research evolution. Text mining tools are transforming historical research by allowing scholars to mine newspaper archives, extract valuable information from historical newspapers to study public opinion and events over time. decode historical documents, analyze old texts and manuscripts to uncover insights about past societies and cultures, track cultural trends, monitor changes in societal values, beliefs, and practices through historical texts over different periods, conduct cross-cultural comparative studies, compare texts from different cultures to explore similarities and differences in historical contexts. Number 3, cultural studies breakthrough. This is part of the practical research applications of text mining. In cultural studies, text mining provides innovative ways to analyze contemporary issues by enabling researchers to 1. Analyze social media landscapes. We examine social media content to understand public sentiment, trends, and discussions on various topics. Explore digital archive. Investigate online collections of text, images, and videos to gain insight into cultural history and content and current events. Investigate contemporary media. Analyze modern media outputs like films, articles, and advertisements to study their impact on society and culture. Conduct global cultural comparison. Compare cultural expressions and practices from around the world to identify global trends and local variations. These practical applications illustrate how text mining can enhance research across various fields, providing deeper insights and facilitating new discoveries. We are not just using text anymore. We are discovering stories, patterns, and hidden narratives. Like I said, we are not just reading text anymore. We are now discovering stories, patterns, and hidden narratives. Conclusion. The digital revolution is not only transforming humanities research, but also expanding the possibilities for students in the Faculty of Arts. As technology continues to evolve, the intersection of computing and the arts opens new avenues for investigation, creativity, and education. By embracing tools and techniques such as text mining and data analysis, students can enhance their research capabilities, prepare for future academic work, and gain valuable digital literary skills. This integration allows for a deeper understanding of cultural and historical phenomena, empowering students to excel in their academic and professional journeys, while ensuring they remain competitive in a digital-first world. Thank you for listening.